So now, today, ngayon, third na naman. Do you know what gagawin namin, guys?
Jumi.
Collage. So, let's start it.
Japan.
So, hi guys. So ngayon, we did something. Yeah.
Kita ba?
So here.
I want.
Yeah. So we will make a collage. What will you make?
I want Japan.
Japan? We will make collage. Wait. So we have a colored paper here. So mine is blue. Yours is red. And then Ate Lilian is yellow.
By the way, guys,
This is. So we follow this color.
yeah, we made it. Make it
Last year, I guess.
Japanese.
Yeah, last year.
Japanese.
We made this last year.
The paper.
Last year, I don't know what the exactly month, but I'm sure it's a 12. Because it's our monthsary.
About
Yan.
wagon tree.
So, now, let's start. So, you will... Wait, I have a glue here.
I need to glue.
So, need to glue. This is our logo, by the way. This is our logo.
Yeah. But now we wear Adidas.
Yeah, we wear Adidas. Wait.
Oh, I was wearing ID.
We're wearing ID.
By the way,
ate.
we went to school earlier.
Yeah.
That's why we wearing ID.
So you want the flag countries?
That's too
Give
much
me-
enough.
Okay, sorry.
Please,
I'm so sorry.
please,
So this
I
is the
want
glue.
this.
Okay, so now,
Do like this,
I
oh.
want glue.
while here, like this, look.
Yeah.
And then,
Put.
wait. This is Wael. This is, Lilian. And this is me.
Oh, look at put one.
Yeah, it's too big. Like this, Like this. Face that.
Ako dyan, diba?
Ay, sorry. Okay, let's just switch. Okay, guys, look. I do a mistake. I supposedly
I want
here.
my turn.
But it's okay.
Okay,
Okay, your
your turn
turn,
now.
baby.
Ah,
That's too
I do
big.
mistake. Sorry.
That's too big, my love.
That's too big. Like this only. And then
I need to.
okay. Here. Oh, I will let you. I will let you to do this. To do that, okay? Because you're too big. You're already big. You're already a big boy.
Why is my baby? Why is it small?
Sorry. Yeah, I know. This what are we doing?
The glue is ready.
Ako ba ang maraming gawa,
I need to glue.
Yes, go be.
Red
Dami
go,
na.
be. All this pa, pungit ka pa.
The side puti.
Gustahan tayo. Ako lang muna tapos.
Yeah, go sis.
Please. My turn.
Yeah, your turn, my love.
My small.
Put some into... One more. Pungit ka pa.
I'm
Side
almost
puti.
done. I'm almost done, guys.
I need two more.
Yeah,
Oh, sure, baby.
Here. Go, put.
Oh.
Face it. Face.
Face that, be.
I need two.
Oh, muy bien, my love.
Okay. I'm done. You're not done. You're not done yet, ate.
Oh, yeah.
I want to flag.
You said you're the one who will finish this first, but
I need to. Hurry up.
Yeah, hold on. Okay.
I think I'm gonna the first one.
Yeah, but look, I'm the first one.
At least I want the last one.
Amen.
Amen. Okay, I'm done.
How about you, baby? Are you done?
Yes.
Really? You're not
Wala pa
yet
siya.
done.
I need to flag. I need to. Please.
That's too big, baby.
Let me help you.
Wow.
Here.
Wow.
Let's put some glue. Oh wait, I forgot to
Ano?
open. Titin. Wait,
Titing.
that's not yet done.
The blues.
Let's put our signature at the back.
Yeah. No, even in the front. It can be in front.
It's enough.
I'll put... No, this one.
This one. Paste it. Paste this. Stop. Paste this. Paste that paper on this.
Muy bien. Let me help you.
Yeah.
Okay, all done.
Wash your hands.
Wash your hand. Why, baby? Look at your feet. Where have you been earlier? Okay. We're done. We're done, babe. Okay. Here. So, we will put our signature in the front.
Okay.
Wait, why I have no signature yet?
Give me my phone.
Your phone, it's not your phone.
Hurry up.
Hold on, baby, hold on, okay? Okay. Wait, what? You know what is your signature? You can just only put Wael. Or put Wael. Yeah.
Wael.
So that's it. Very good.
I need to do. So they.
Maybe just picture.
Wait, I need to. Wait.
Okay.
The one. I need to. It's mystery box.
Yeah. This like
I know.
we use Wael, turn my love, return.
3.
Smile.
Ate.
Next. Make my turn.
Grabe, ang init.
Baliktad. Saka na isa naman.
Sa tatlo.
I need to.
The last one, you baby. Look at.
Ay, ito
Then,
naman.
I know.
the last one.
That.
Paano yun? What? Hey! Yeah. So, here's the result. Wael! Now you're done. See you!
Ayan, so hi guys. So ngayon, by the way, I will make some drinks because I like it already. So now, I will make some drinks for us, of course. By the way guys, oh my god. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Guys, look at this. Oh no. So now we have 3 pieces of Oreo here, of course, and then Milo and this. Ayan. So we have a powder made here also. So now let's make a drinks. We will eat first. Okay? We will eat first. This is posted Canton. We have a Goya here and
the bread. So now, what do you want to eat? Pancit Canton or Goya?
Pancit Canton Kofata.
Now, let's eat!
Let's eat! I want to get you.
Come here, baby. Okay.
A few moments later.
Requesting something.
Oh, what do you want, baby?
I want house game.
You mean pillow fort?
Okay.
Okay, let's do pillow fort.
Okay.
It's our house.
Oh. Wee.
Oh no!
It's falling.
Okay, get in, baby.
Okay.
Careful only. Oh, careful.